Crew Health and Performance Exploration Analog is a series of analog missions simulating year-long stays on the surface of Mars. Each mission consists of 4 crew members living in Mars Dune Alpha, an isolated 1,700 square foot habitat. During the mission, the crew conducts simulated spacewalks and provides data on various factors, including physical and behavioral health and performance. The 3D printed habitat includes private crew quarters, a kitchen, dedicated areas for medical, recreation, fitness, work, crop growth activities, a technical work area, and 2 bathrooms. The habitat is designed to mimic the conditions that might be experienced on Mars, providing a realistic environment for the crew. To obtain the most accurate data, the analog mission was created to be as Mars-realistic as feasible, incorporating environmental stresses such as resource limitations, isolation, equipment failure, and significant workloads. Major crew activities during the analog include simulated spacewalks with virtual reality, communications, crop growth, meal preparation and consumption, exercise, hygiene activities, maintenance work, personal time, science work, and sleep. The results of CHAPEA and the knowledge gained from these analog missions will allow NASA to characterize the risk of the planned exploration food system design in relation to crew health and performance. This information will inform NASA standards, associated vehicle mass and volume requirements, and resource risk trades for long-duration missions. The data will also be crucial in developing countermeasures to ensure the well-being of astronauts during future missions to Mars. CHAPEA's research aims to contribute to the broader understanding of human factors in space exploration, potentially influencing future habitat designs, mission planning, and operational protocols. By simulating the challenges of living on Mars, it helps prepare astronauts for the physical and psychological demands of long-duration space travel. After spending more than a year in isolation, 4 volunteers are set to conclude NASA's groundbreaking Mars simulation mission on Saturday, July 6. The crew will exit their 1,700 square foot, 3D printed habitat at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston, with NASA providing live coverage of this historic moment.